Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy without a machine. This fun process involves transforming regular sugar into fluffy, sweet threads right in your kitchen. We'll explore how to melt sugar, create those signature wisps, and collect them to form a delicious treat. It's simpler than you might think and perfect for a sweet craving. To begin, gather your supplies. You'll need about 2 cups of granulated sugar, which is the main ingredient. Also, grab a large, deep pot for melting and a sturdy metal whisk. Make sure you have a clean, open area ready, perhaps covered with parchment paper, to catch the delicate sugar strands as they form. Safety first, so be careful with hot sugar. Now for the magic. Melt your sugar in the pot over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it becomes a smooth, amber liquid. Once melted, carefully dip your whisk into the hot sugar, letting it coat the tines. Then, quickly flick the whisk back and forth over your prepared surface. You'll see fine sugar threads begin to form, almost like spider webs. As the sugar threads accumulate, gently gather them onto a paper cone or a wooden stick, twirling it to build up your cotton candy. Repeat the flicking and collecting process until you have a fluffy, sweet cloud. It's a delightful treat to make and enjoy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.